How to create a Marcus bank account online. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create an online account with Marcus by Goldman Sachs so you can manage your savings and investments easily. Go to the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website and click on Apply Now to start the account creation process. Select the type of account you want to open. Marcus offers options like high-yield savings accounts and CDs, which are certificates of deposit. Enter your full name, address, phone number, email, and social security number for identity verification. You'll also need to confirm your date of birth to ensure you meet the age requirements. Set up a username and password for your online banking account. You'll also create security questions to protect your account. Now make your initial deposit. You can transfer money from an existing bank account or use an electronic check to fund your new Marcus account. Carefully review your details and the terms of the account, then click Submit to complete your application. And that's it, you're now ready to use your Marcus account online. Enjoy managing your savings with ease. Thanks for watching.